Hey guys, how's it going today? It's Friday, February the 2nd, so hopefully you are doing well, traders. We're gonna go over ICX. It's about 10 p.m. Central Standard Time here, and we're gonna go over modes of failures and what has happened before. So, if you guys love these videos, please go to Steam it. It's in the description below, and just click on the vote button and re-Steam it as well. And please like, subscribe, and share all the material as well. It's just a way of just giving me a little bit of acknowledgement, right? And it pays me like maybe $2-3 per post that I put on Steam it there. But you know what? If you're making like 5-6 blogs a day, you know, $20, sure, it all goes towards my little dog there anyways. It's not much, but it makes me feel good to accumulate Steam anyways. And if you guys want to really let me know I'm doing an awesome job, you're welcome to buy Luna and I lunch or something like that. But don't ever go out of your way and feel obligated. I think you guys know me much better than that by now, that I'm not going to milk you guys for money or anything. It's not like that, okay? I've got your back, guys, and I know that you guys have mine as well, okay? So we're going to go over what has happened. I've done a different count now, and the way I'm counting it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, like that. Now, I concluded that this is some sort of weird pattern, like an A, B, C, D, E, maybe like a flat, A, B, maybe something like that, okay? B, C, E, and then it finally wants to break out. And then in the whole substructure here, it made a very complicated pattern here. So I firmly believe that this is now a very different kind of pattern. So now if we called it like that, this would be 5 actually, where it's got a higher high than 3, right? So that's always a possibility there as well. So now we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up there as well, which is phenomenal, okay? Now another alternative count would have been 4, and then 5, and then A, and then B, and then C, right? That could have been a very, very viable count as well. For our chart, I mean, it looks like it could have been a count as well. But regardless, if we look on the 4-hour chart right here, we're in very, very low oversold zones already. Getting there. And then we also notice this wants to kind of curve around, right? Just, I'll draw that again so you guys can see what I mean there. Just kind of curves around like that. So in the last video, I identified the buy zones. I hope some of you guys got in on it, okay? So I'm going to go to my blog here just to catch you guys. You guys have to follow up with this stuff, guys. I really mean it. You have to, okay? So I was talking about specific buy zones and where they could have possibly been, right? And we were talking about, no, I actually don't have a photo on there. That's all right. So, excuse me there. I was talking about a buy zone right in here because it also met up with this particular area. So this was like a lower buy zone, or higher buy zone rather. And now, of course, a really strong rejection area is right over here, okay? So I think it's better to wait for a really good opportunity right now. Got to wait for Bitcoin to correct a little bit, and then we can time our entries. But if we notice, this is the 618 level and the 0.5 level as well, right? So now we just got to wait, guys. I really mean it. Like, we got to be extremely, extremely patient right now. And we see this kind of sloped. See, if you're zooming out like that, you don't see this as an angle. But if you zoom in, right, you see it very angled like that. So now we're just waiting, guys. We are literally just waiting for Bitcoin to make a move right now. And, you know, so hopefully we can get some sort of channel or something like that in here later. Or for now, rather. But if you can see that this is actually making like a channel, right? And here it's a really tight channel too. So, and the volume is actually dying off right now as well. So what am I gonna do for my play when if I do play it, guys? If I do play it, I'm gonna wait for it to actually. I'm gonna wait for Bitcoin to unfortunately correct some more, and then I will most likely try to stack up my ladders. It would be wise to start laddering your buys from 550, 53 to 40, 45. We see this area with a lot of price action, right? And we see a wick go in there really quickly as well. Support usually likes to get tested twice. We see volume die off right here. Usually volume dying off can mean many things, right? Especially during a downtrend. It could mean that there's no buyers rushing in, and unfortunately it's going to end up slowly trickling down right now. And Bitcoin does want to fall down, guys. Like, Bitcoin does want to fall down indeed. So I think that this is most likely going to further correct with it right now. I just wanted to give you guys a really quick update on where I stand with it. You know, so you guys can't just buy a position and hope for a bounce, right? It doesn't really work like that at all. You have to carefully time where you're entering and ladder your buys. So will I be interested in this zone, the green one? Yeah, I will be, because there's a lot of price activity there. Will I be interested in the lower zone especially? Yeah, I'm very interested actually, because if it doesn't hold in this zone right there, guys, in the red one that I'm about to draw, in this red box, you can expect a catastrophic failure, okay? So there's only a few different zones right now that we can look in. I mean, I might even consider buying like a little bit in this zone right now if it goes down to about 5,400. This is the next support zone, the green box there, right? Just keep laddering your buys, laddering your buys. It's not like this coin's gonna die. It's good fundamentally, right? And it's already at the 618 level. So let's say it gets to around the 618 level right there. I would just take my Fibonacci. I would probably just go into a long position somewhere, like wherever it is in there. I'll set my swing low slightly lower than it, and I would target my 0.5 Fibonacci level for a 45% gain there. So right now, guys, there's not much of an update, nor is there any play to make. You guys have to just be very patient, okay? We're testing this zone right now, and I'm just waiting to see if it gets to about the 5K ranges. I'm going to be very interested in it between 4K and 5K. I just want you guys to know that. And around the 4,500 mark, if I get an average price here, say, okay, say that 4,500, then I'll just probably target the 50.5 Fibonacci level, right, of this entire wave right there, and I will go for that. That's gonna be a really nice bounce. So that's kind of it, guys. These are my thoughts right now. I want to make it really quick, give you guys these quick fire updates, right? Just rapid fire them, hammer them out, give you guys super quick, concise, precise thoughts. Some keys buy zones for down the road as well. Key buy zone, guys, it's going to be between 4 to 5K. You guys are going to see me tweet about it a lot. But as it stands right now, there's no really good time to be entering it, guys. Okay, I want to be very clear that I'm warning you. I'm warning you with a lot of caution right now that ICX is a pretty ugly chart right now, okay? It's a super ugly chart, and we have to wait to see where this retraces. For all we know, it'll retrace like every other coin and come all the way down there. For all we don't know, we have no idea right now. The charts are not showing anything, right? Like, sure, this is low right now, but we don't have a historical data on this coin. Like, look at the 45-minute chart. It can't even break out of this territory right now. So yeah, it's pretty bearish right now. Can't even break this RSI range. Like, look at that, okay? So I'm just going to hang tight, going to wait between 4 to 5K, see what happens, play it by ear, wait for a more opportune time, and then we will time our entries a little bit better. So I hope some of you guys did take some profit, right, at the top there. Definitely have to take some profit there. And other than that, guys, good luck. Please stay extremely cautious with this coin here, and I will catch you guys up sometime down the road. Yeah, if you guys love these videos, please like, subscribe, share. Go to Steam it as well, upvote it. If you guys want to buy me a lunch, you're welcome to buy me a lunch, coffee, whatever, the whole 9 yards. Have yourselves a great day, guys. I'm going to update XLM right now. See you guys.